How many lives can we change? Let's do it live on ITV1 this evening. Soccer Aid is next.
Lovely atmosphere in the stadium here at Old Trafford. Welcome back to Soccer Aid for UNICEF's kickoff just around the corner. Big news, the embargoes have been lifted. The NDAs have been cast aside. We can finally reveal the starting lineups. It's my favourite moment of the whole show, I've got to be honest with you. First up, Soccer Aid World 11.
As well. We'll see more from Refcam at half-time.
Loses it temporarily.
This is Crespo. A little mistake by Gary Neville, which sees the ball run through to David James. Gave the World 11 the lead in the first half before a goal either side of half-time. Put England 2-1 up. This is Totti. And this is Crespo. And David James is equal to it. Totti, Crespo, James. He made over 200 appearances for the US women's national team.
That's a lovely touch by Usain.
You ain't going to outrun Usain Bolt. And here he is.
Usain Bolt versus Gary Neville.
And it's Usain Bolt off the post. David James breathes a sigh of relief.
And here it is, Usain Bolt doing what Usain Bolt does best. Banging past Neville, and actually a part of his legs come off. He hit that ball so hard. I don't know, what is that? Is that his shin pad?
Was thought about, but it's the World 11 who make their first change.
As predicted.
As Big Zoo was saying.
Roberto Carlos is here for a fun time, not a long time. I tell you what, I was in the gym this morning next to Mo Farah running a 5k.
Pulls out
after this.
Here's Bolt, released against David James, slips it past David James and scores at Old Trafford. The first goal of Soccer Aid. The trademark celebration, joined by a Manchester United legend and the World 11 in front.
He's onside. Bugsy pulls up, I think it's his hamstring, and he just slots it past David James. That's such a calm finish through the legs of David James, and the world's fastest man has got a go at Soccer Aid.
Yeah, it's his second goal at Soccer Aid, his fifth appearance from the former sprinter. It's the fourth time he's captained the World 11. He won the player of the match on his Soccer Aid debut 5 years ago. His only other goal came at Stamford Bridge, but scoring here is a special moment.